Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID not working in iTunes Store. If you are using any iPhone and you are having the issue that your Apple ID is not working in your iTunes Store, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection because sometimes it might be that your internet connection is not stable and you might get these type issues, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have that, simply go back, open up your settings, and here you have to scroll down, go for general, then scroll down, and here you have to go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you have anything VPN connected, or if you have any connected VPN here, you have to try to disconnect with VPN. And once you have disconnected your VPN, you just have to go back and here select software update. You have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have, you have to try to update your software. Once you have updated your software or you are still having the same issue, go for general, and here you go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you just enter your passcode and your all network settings will be resetted. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. Or after that, if you are still have the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to open up your app store, tap on your profile in the top right corner, and here you have to try to sign out your account. Select sign out and your account will be signed out. Then tap on sign in with Apple account, and here select continue if you want to use this account, or if you don't want to use this account or try to log in with another account, simply select the not option. I'm going to select the first one, and here after that your account will be logged in. Once you have logged in with your account, simply tap on your account here, and here you just have to wait for the next screen. You have to enter your Apple account password here, and once you enter your passcode, you will get this type screen. You have to simply select the country or region option, and from here you have to make sure that you have selected the specific country or region in which you're living, or if you haven't, you just have to scroll down and look for the country or the region in which you are living. And once you have that, you have to simply tap on it to select that option, then select this continue option, then select agree in the top right corner, and here you just have to enter all of your details of debit card or credit card for your payment method. And once you have that, simply tap on this one option and your problem will be fixed. And after that, your all problem will be fixed. Now you after doing that, you can easily use your Apple ID in your iTunes store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.